The relationship between dogs and humans goes back thousands of years. It has evolved over the centuries. With the rise in human population and settlement, so did the population of dogs. India's stray dog population is estimated to be about 35 million today. Here in Maglodganj, Dharamsala, one cannot pass a corner without coming across a pack of street dogs. With the number of locals voluntarily dedicated to feeding them, dogs here are fortunate ones. But a large population of dogs isn't safe and healthy for both animals and humans. The incidents of dogs being hit or run over by cars or being injured from human abuse or from fights among themselves occur every now and then. But sometimes people get bitten by dogs too. India recorded nearly 16 million cases of stray dog bites between 2019 and 2022. Animal-based NGOs here, like Dharamsala Animal Rescue and Tibet Charity Animal Rescue, they play a significant role in disease control through vaccination drives and in dog population control by providing sterilization services, treating and medicating injured and abused animals as well. Not only dogs, but also cats and other animals in need are taken care of too. Not all cases at all times can be easily reached by them. There is always a dog or a cat or a cow that is in need of help. Dawa and Mili, both animal lovers, have been helping animals for many years. Mili is the vet and Dawa is the animal lover, as Mili described. Out of their love and compassion for the animals in need, they have started running an animal care outreach center of sorts without realizing it. With over 30 dogs, from very sick to recovering to healthy ones, Dawa and Mili treat and shelter them at their house in addition to answering all sorts of calls from locals requesting their help to treat and care for animals.
Yeah, if you can't get through after 3 o'clock, I'll be a bit free. I'll call you or you can give me a call after 3. Yeah, okay. Or else you can come to Karnika's cafe after 1. I'm going there anyways for dogs. In 2015, I first worked with an NGO, local NGO in Dharamshala. So it was 2 years then. And after that I left. And then I think 2 years back, again 2020, I got an email from one of the NGO heads asking if I could come back to Dharamshala and help. So I was first reluctant, but then later on I liked the place. So I took up the job. I came here. So 2020, 2021, I worked with that NGO. But then later on, to tell you the truth, I really wanted to do something of my own because I did have issues with staff. To tell you the truth, I don't know. They found I have temper. I have XXXX reasons. So I thought it's better to do something of my own to help animals in my own way because there were a lack of skills with large animals as well. So I wanted to help large animals also. So I was thinking it's better to do something on my own. And in this process, I met Dawa in 2021. And slowly, I started helping him with his rescues. It's like a symbiosis. He's helping with, nursing the sick ones for me. And I'm helping him little bit, raising funds, awareness, and helping his dogs free of cost. So this is how we started. And then in February, I decided to quit my job and help Dawa and his rescues. And since then, I'm doing that. It's not an animal rescue. It's actually basically passion, you can say, because he loves doing what he's like feeding dogs, you can say. I worked in an NGO where he used to rescue small puppies. He used to bring dogs for treatment. And like I said, he used to rescue dogs full of fleas that have no hair. He used to bring them to me. And then I used to provide advice. He used to follow the guidelines. So he's bought so many dogs. And then slowly I understood that, he's doing it for his own passion. And he's left what he was doing, like business, everything, just to take care of these animals. And that is how he's collected 35 dogs. Not because he wants donation or so, But because he found them in a pathetic state, in some garbage bin, full of fleas, full of no hair, then distemper dogs that are probably euthanized. I used to work in a NGO before, so I used to euthanize dogs. So he did not like it. So that is why he used to bring the dogs here and treat them, feed them, more than treating. So providing nutrition is his passion, I would say. So this is not an NGO, it's not a clinic. But since I came to stay at his place, you can say now that it's become little clinical.
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of. But still, it's not like a privatized as well, because all we do is we help animals in need. Though people and people who don't get help from other NGOs or are denied because of lack of space or because there is no staff in their NGO, blah blah. Many NGOs have different reasons. So we take them in, and there are people who don't like euthanizing their dog, even if it's as bad as distemper. But then they don't have the knowledge and they don't have the capacity to look after the dogs, the distemper dogs that need treatment, all day long, providing nutrition, cleaning them, then monitoring them. Now see, people are working 9 to 6. So for them, monitoring these animals and reporting back to a doctor would be difficult. So Dawa does that. He substitutes them by monitoring the dogs because he's not working. He's the whole day with animals. So he feeds them or monitors, and then when I tell him what to give treatment, he does that. He gives treatment and food according to what I tell him to. So in the morning, this is what he does. He gives them pedigree and chicken soup. So this we began doing last year after I started getting associated with.
Hatu langal donera ki am kambuchira pu takpal motor station nimya cha jalan hatu donera pu tot jaga buchira amadi jaga bu sim begla capture the duty pu ni lun khelemba dene chin amad tab amad sim su da shagdu chi sim shagdu for like you there da jakba chin yo ninje 지금 다 코란이야. 코란 칼라 메교지라 깜도 저단에 칼라 세교지라 뭘 규거도 없다고. 인제 세디야마. 디지가 찍미에 양선은 강란 랑가들이 양 하누만 만들 지어야. 디람데 키나 보죠. 아니 이치 해나 도도 함도는 게나 칼루. 와 하누만 만들 기 봐.
Ale am kalu ama.
칼루 아마. 인제 어디 심을. 이게 랑가 딱 모타 딱 번nem네 버치. 하나 jel라 니 모시 토보지. 슝 레제레. 지금 이거 도와주는데 뭐 키디 또라 디셈버 날 진매가 봤더라.
이 로사 마스미를 이마 게레 고징엘베. 또 하나 세면도야. 아니 니콜 본다니 거야 내가 됐기. 내가 된 마도치 아니 이마 당고 할라스이들 들이 칼라마사 칼리칼리요. 아니 골고스탕 오케스. 골고스탕 캅게 캅라 조송 숨몽 앞에 안 됐다. 그 공친구도 언디 코란기 야 파주 세네니 지다라서 얘기다 감니스 지다로야 코란기다 지다라로 되거든요. 그 배제다 코란 다 중에 나와 니도 체가 하스 코스 코란이 그 칼란데 저거다 포스니요. 근데 베리그리요. 라블라스 공알루 오말루 다 칼란데 저거다 포스니 칼사도 오만 이제 강자 코란이 가리거다야. 근데
뼈차. 콜라 칼라 때도 니 망불에 드시 게요. 칼라.
जीवी को भी ले लेना.
니 몰, 니 가라 가 합니다. 지당 니 팔람부다 도 망부뱅가도 니만 이키는 데거든. 다 키든 나자이 나일라 스텔 야가요. 나일라 치에 가민두라 메드니 가민두. 누가 메드니 가트면다. 니기라 칼라 야베야지요. 다 페나 루스운저 뉴트리션 간다 상도. 아노 오마 파니 도도. 야가 양저 믹처 치라. 라플라스 칼레는 군조민데 디스템버 나도 같이 나와요. 카 당기면도 소이다 잼디도. 땅도 고베도 아니 숨는 캅기야 캅침부 뉴라 리더 디 20ml 치거든요. 아니 칼리칼리 니마직 쇼게지도 본다 딱 빠뜨리도 테 코란주 낭로 이미지 시스템 스트롱 차라 아니 모델 파이트 치도도 아니 서바이브 치도 니게 디니데 디미 키딩이 당보 킬레라 디는 뭔가 키딩이 없네 와지 땅아 키시마 로바 치도 마스야 legal people motion but the Kaji kitchen that in Kodu that. Dealing like Hala in the video on the time, Hala in the then he and the gas to call a labrador to Nila like Doma like me. Dele Hala you don't see. Cut the mud in Japoya. I saw in the hotel more young and not Doma about the man. In the garden, how you'll do it. I know who to Halanga Male, Dele you cannot chiruchi. Half the jiggle, Lebek Chasra, she's Langal, Palamulanga. Nigger, Hana Junior in the Halam that you had do like the survive chair do the Halore, Azuki, Mila Nagachin, 1% chance to try cheater on you. At least kill the try cheater like you.
Bad day, the Tuji share, the Korangi Menatanga, give up it. Because only Korangi Tuji Gatimita, only the Halore. Kazana number 2. Other mutiny the Tashu, but motion you are only. The Korangi Tuji Gatimita. You can make Kishaban and the Korangi come and chill. Number 2, you some of the Korangi go down, some of the Ponzi very busy, the Mamango Dera. That what do you, the market chair, Marda. The Kungi Chigora, the Chesura. 가서 누구든 이제 키 내와 내래 그 샵주시에 내래 그 tempo에 내래 가서 그 수수디야 근데 개고 좀 수수 이제 란도 치기도 해요. 근데 빈스 간 도네이션도 또 미리 되는 데는 것이 왕이 되면
Till now, yes, there are people who donate. I have an Impact Guru fundraiser through which I post on Facebook about all the things that I need and what I am doing. So even unknown people can donate. So till now we've collected 32,000 in that Impact Guru thing, and that fundraiser is specifically only for medicine. I don't use the fundraiser money for anything else. No food, nothing. I only take that fundraising money to buy anesthesia and pay Sagar Pharmaceuticals, the guy who delivers medicines to us from Delhi. So till now we have 32,000, and this month someone donated 5,000 and we've placed an order for suture materials again. So that is solely for my medicine fundraising. Since I'm dealing with stray animals, they are not they are not like pet dogs. They are not taken care of. They'll be on street. So it has to be perfect, or at least close to perfect, not detrimental to their, health, and not die at least because of our intervention. If we have to recruit people, we just don't want to recruit people because they are paid and they work. We want people who actually, understand and love the need that animals have, So instead of that I and Dawa thing, it's better we work little hard and do it ourselves rather than, recruiting people for 5,000, 10,000 and they just come in here for money. So this is not something that we want. So for now, we don't think it's need. We are quite sufficient when it comes to me and Dawa. Like, yes, we do get tired, but then it's a balance. So sometimes I do get tired. Dawa balances what I do. And we don't give appointments. And then sometimes when he's tired, I take over. So for now, labor-wise, I think we are quite okay. We are doing okay. Because then when it comes to fundraising, these things, we'll compromise on these things if we try and, recruit more and more people for cleaning or whatever it is. Because nowadays people, all they want is they want paid. No one is just doing it for free.
아니 야 용제 심마도 제 아니 암라디 칼라사 같이 보유 아니 마 퇴루 타고 안데 심마도 자 암라디 인제 딱 킵투기도 암라 아마드 심키 아마드 심마도 자 부몽고 베기도 아니 타나 암라데라 타나 게자 균가도 도와질 케즈레 부부 페제 부스케 수사라 부게네 부네 니 포르샤사 아니 포모 듀두사 키모 듀두사라 तादी शक्ति चिरुचि दलसवा इने तब यावजिला अमला दिले कि आमाद सिमदु मिन्दु न्यमा इने के तब यावजिला अमला दि छुंजु गदि किपु दुल खाला टे छम्बुसु द मिद फ्रेंडली छेजन तना अमला दि किपु पुल पुगु दुल तन तपेजिन दवा ठुक क्लास गेसा रे छेजा त पुगु दुल लागबा छंग दि छेजा दि सिमदु यसा उ सिमदु द अन छेजन तना अमला दि पुगु दु ने त पुगु दु मोकी जानी दि पुगु दिले मा खि रो मल्टिप्लाई छनु र अन छेजा पुश शारो छि द
be patient with our stray dogs. Nowadays, I think the Supreme Court has said that they're no longer stray dogs, they are community dogs now. So it's all our responsibility to feed them, to vaccinate them, and sterilize them. And I would say, if you want to adopt a stray dog, and don't buy a breed money you spend on breed dogs, and then you have so many diseases. As a vet, I know there are so many breeds with so many issues. So I would say, rather than spending so much money on breed dogs which are not made for our climate or our country, adopt one. You'll save a life. You'll really cut down on the costs, veterinary bills. Sterilization is a small procedure nowadays. Anyone, any NGOs are ready to help you. So get them sterilized, get them vaccinated, adopt a stray dog, make them a community dog, and yeah, this is what I would say. And responsible, let's coexist with stray animals, rather than finding shortcuts where they say eradicate dogs or abandon. No. I would say the only solution to the menace of stray animals is to make them a community animal. And I'm sure one day people will know this, and they will say, yes, this was the solution, and this is the best solution to the stray dog problem.